Hello all and welcome back. In this video we're going to see how we can set path in Java. Go to the command prompt. Here you can just try to run Java C and Java commands. Now you'll find you get error like Java C is not recognized as internal or external command. In order to make this command run, path need to be set. So let us go to Java installation folder. Go to C drive, go to program files. In this you will find Java folder. Inside this, go to JDK 11. Inside JDK you will have bin directory. Now here you will find java.exe and Java C. Now just copy this path from the address and put it in Notepad. So this path need to be set. Now to set the path persistently, go to the properties of your computer. So go to Window Explorer. So right click on this PC. Go to the properties. On this page, select Advanced System Settings option from the left hand side. In System Property dialog box, Advanced tab is selected. Go to the last option, Environment Variables. Click on the button. If you check at the bottom, you will find system variables are available. Now if you scroll it down, you will find there is a path variable. Now we want to modify this path. We want to attach or we want to append our path to this variable. So double click on this path variable or make sure that this path is selected and click on edit. Now these are the existing paths and we want to add a new path to this variable. So click on new and paste the path you have copied. Click on OK, OK and OK. So let us check this. Let's say Java C, it is running. Then Java command, it is running. Now in this way you can set the path persistently. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to us and click on bell icon to get more videos like this, and I will see you in the next video.